Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your November monthly read. Just a general overview of your month ahead and yes, we will take 3 cards for your love life and your work life as well. And these are general collective readings, Cancer, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So before we start your read, let's take a blessing from Lord Ganesha to see what blessings Lord Ganesha will give you for this beautiful new month ahead. Blessing or an advice from Lord Ganesha, please, for my Cancers. Blessing or an advice card. This one. And we'll take one from our angel deck as well. And start your reading. My angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Cancer gang, please. Blessing or an advice card. This one. All right. So we're good to go now, Cancer. Let's see what Lord Ganesha and my angels have for you for the month of November. Lord Ganesha gives you the card of insight. And my angels give you the card of child. So either you are dealing with a child this month, Cancer, or maybe it's time to look at life in a new way with childlike innocence. The insight card, Libra, Cancer, I haven't got till now, so I'm just going to read the headlines if you don't mind. Okay, your inner compass knows the key to your true happiness. So whatever you need to know, you already know, Cancer, and it's going to, your intuitive insights are going to be very important. Ganesha is focusing attention to your third eye chakra. He is acknowledging that you are in a phase where you can grow and expand your consciousness. Intuition is the voice of the spirit and soul. It can be heard when you are in a state of calm. You have the ability to tune into your strong and clear connection. The guidance you receive from the divine can also be trusted. So let's see what guidance divine wants to give you today, Cancer. So be in childlike energy of trusting and having full faith that the universe is with you. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless Cancer with this reading and send them the messages they need to hear the most from you. Thank you. So let's begin the reading, Cancer. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support to the channel. Also, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. Let's begin putting your cards, Cancer. And if any of you are needing a personal reading, my November calendar is now open. Do email me on the description box below. My email is there. You can call me there. So dealing with a soulmate, it seems, this month. A lot of childlike energy coming forward till now. So the first card I have for you here, Cancer, is the Four of Cups. Feeling a little bored and disillusioned, upset, sad, rejected, dejected, and upset. In the past, you were doing pretty well, it seems. You were in a position of power. You were feeling like the emperor or the empress. You had control of your life. You felt everything is going your way. Maybe you had the abundance and the security and everything that you ever needed. Empress doesn't lack anything. She's the queen of all queens, right? So masculine, feminine doesn't matter. What matters is that you had it all, from the nurturing, kind, loving energies to your money, finance, stability. Everything was in order for you. But right now I see you, Cancer, presently sitting in the Four of Wands, having a little bit of stress and tension, but it's all self-imposed. Like there is nobody in this card holding you down. Both these cards are you sitting by yourself and stressing and worrying. There is You can get out of the situation, Cancer, from what I see, because see, if you see this card very carefully, this person is blindfolded, not seeing the path ahead, which is clear. The swords are on the left and right and behind, right? The path ahead is totally clear in front of this person. Can easily walk out. The feet are not bound. And can use one of these swords to cut off these blockages as well. But there's a lot of self-imposed stress and tension. It could be regarding a child, or it could be regarding a soulmate who's come back or is in your life from the past, this person you've known for a long time. And even though you have sweet memories with this person, I see you feeling a little stressed out. Four of Cups, Spirit. Why is Cancer in the Four of Cups energy right now? Because things have really kind of slowed down, stagnated. Things are not moving. Maybe you were so used to being in your Empress zone. Now certain secrets, I think, have been revealed which are not making you very happy. Some news you've received, and that's leading you, I think, to go backwards. Instead of maybe you thought you could walk away from a problem. Now it seems that you, at least in your mind, you feel, with this news of the stagnation, I seem to be going backward, or maybe somebody is coming back into your life to reconcile with you, and that's kind of not making you feel very happy. Yes, this is a rebirth, restart of something from the past, right? Three cards of the same. The Judgment is a rebirth. Six of Cups is somebody returning from your path. Three of Cups is again reunion, and I have another Three of Cups here, which again represents reunion. So something in that is not kind of making you feel very happy, or maybe you're waiting in boredom, waiting for this reconciliation to happen. So let's see, what's this Eight of Swords then? Eight of Swords. What's stressing you out here? What's stressing you out? Page of Cups. Lot of page and child energy here, Cancer. I just keep getting that. I don't know why. But if you've been waiting for some good news, you're wanting clarity from this person, maybe that's really not coming to you. You don't have, you don't know what your path ahead of you is. You don't want to be at crossroads. You want to make some decision, yet there is a big fear of change here. Either you're waiting for somebody to come back, or somebody has come back, and that's kind of stressing you out here. You are going to have a fresh new start one way or the other in November, Cancer. Don't worry about it. If you've been at crossroads for a long time trying to make a decision, being stressed out, you are going to, oh yeah, whatever you've been kind of, if there was a fight, or there was an argument, or there was anything that was troubling, that all that is going to end now. And whatever heavy load, burden that you've been carrying with the Eight of Swords energy, this Ten of Wands is now in reverse, which means you will be very successfully be able to let all this burden go now. One more card, Spirit, for the Ten of Wands. What is Cancer dropping now in the month of November? Any communication which came which didn't make you happy, Cancer, which stressed you out? Maybe there was some news that you got which didn't make you happy, something you were looking forward to has not happened properly, or there was some harsh communication maybe, or somebody, I don't know, there's something to do relating communication which didn't go right, but I see you, maybe it stressed you out for a bit, but in November I see you as being again happy and being able to release this burden altogether. What was this Empress in the past energy, Spirit? What's this Empress in the past energy? One more. Whatever was blocking your path in the past, Cancer, I think, what I see here, you managed to, there was a bit of a blockage here. Something stopped, and maybe you ended an old chapter of your life and you started a new one, and now you have actually in the past moved away from a very troublesome time in your life to a calmer space. But even after that, I see that some news or something that you got about the past or is kind of still kind of, maybe it didn't work out the way you thought, and that's stressing you out. Spirit is saying, hold on to this, hold on to your single abundant feeling, right? That you can nurture yourself, you can generate all the pentacles that you need, that you have everything that you need to survive, you're not dependent on anyone, nobody can take your your empresshood away from you. This is the pre-empress as well. So if you have been feeling upset or angry or feeling your wishes are not coming true with somebody else, Spirit is saying hold on to your own. Like you are fully capable of accomplishing anything or everything that you desire by yourself. Yes, maybe there was some immature energy around you which didn't let you felt you could move ahead with. Maybe there was a conflict or fight. Again, I see another page energy, which could be a child or a childish energy. When I say childish, it could be somebody older than you but a bit immature. So if something hasn't worked out with this person, I think Spirit is saying hold on to yourself, because you by yourself are totally capable of doing everything by yourself. Many new things are coming your way. See, Six of Swords is here. So, Spirit, why is the Six of Swords here in the letting go position? Let go of always feeling, Cancer, that the only way that you can turn this Empress energy in the upright once again is if you can have a new start with somebody else. That's the only way you will be able to move away from troubled times, and this working together is not happening or is not working out for you, and you're feeling a little depressed or sad that you're not reaching the level of commitment or stability that you require. You don't need another to do this. You can have a solo journey right now to move away from anything that you need or anything that you don't need, or to bring in the stability or go on to calmer times in your life. You may be regretting that maybe somebody didn't work with you, maybe somebody didn't give you that respect or that stability. You were hoping for somebody else to maybe join you in this partnership, and Spirit is saying let go of being needy or feeling that you cannot accomplish it on your own. You have the insight now, Lord Ganesha says. You have, the path is clear and you have all the divine assistance. Why do you need assistance from anyone else? Right? So what's going to be your biggest blockage now? Having to make a choice. What's this Lover's card, Spirit, for coming up as a blockage? Yes, you need to make a choice, Cancer, because if you stay in this position of saying, oh, this didn't work, and my cup's filled to the ground, nothing is ever going to work for me, all this regret energy, if you stay in, it's going to become a blockage. So try and come away from it. There's a lot of happiness to be had once you come out of this indecision that you've been in for so long. Yes, maybe there was a commitment which was not offered to you. Maybe something structured was not presented to you. Maybe you had hopes and dreams that things would go a certain way, and that hasn't happened till now. But Spirit is saying don't wait for anyone, because we are gifting you the insight to have this fresh, new, childlike, new adventure with the Fool energy, which is again new beginnings and happy new beginnings, trusting universe to, catch you. You can move ahead in your life into happier times by yourself, right? And once you're in good vibration, you will attract the people who are meant to be in your life. Whether it's this person, maybe it's somebody else. So don't get sad or depressed focusing all your attention on one person. Let's see how people see you. People see you as moving fast and furious in your life. They don't see you stuck. They see you coming out of a stuck position. They see you very enlightened, and you're being very vocal about it. Maybe you are talking to people about all your future plans, what you want to do. You don't seem confused at all to other people, at least people around you, your friends, family, or this person. They see you as you are very direct in your conversations. You are not wanting to stay stuck in this scenario for too long. You don't, if people don't want to work with you, you're not interested in working with them because you don't want to be in a stuck position anymore. And they also see that you may have maybe been hurt in the past with through the same soulmate that I was talking about, and you don't have very good memories now left of the way things have panned out. Okay, maybe you've been talking to your friends and family about this, and they see you as wanting to now take action. Let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you. The moon. So it seems, Cancer, you are a little confused right now because things are not clear to you. But Spirit says that's the way it's meant to be. You're not meant to know the answers right now. It's not time yet, right? The answers that you seek are all inside you. You have to go within, tap into your own spirituality, shed light to all that, the messages you're getting from the divine or whatever, and try and make yourself strong once again. You've lost your strength somewhere in the mix. Maybe you've been, banking too much on other people for support. So Spirit is saying, no, we're not going to, if you've been confused or emotional or clouded in your vision, we need you to take some time out and go into hermit mode and tap into some spiritual learning. Anything else, Spirit? Why is the moon here for Cancer? Why is the moon here for Cancer? One more. If there's somebody being mischievous around you, Cancer, you are clear about it. If you can manage to tap into your own spirituality or listen to the divine for all, maybe somebody's been keeping you little, there have been secrets around you that this person has been keeping. Once you go within, you'll understand, it all become clear to you as to what these secrets are. And once you unearth what has been going on, Cancer, you will have victory. There's lots of love which is going to be coming your way, so don't worry about it. This is, I think, somebody around you, their energy keeps you in a clouded space. You are unable to see the path ahead of you. That's why I see you in a self-imposed prison here of your mind, your thoughts. Be aware that whatever you need to do, you can do by yourself. Don't listen to too much from other people. Be in this childlike energy and trust the universe. They're going to be by your side, helping you along. You're not alone, and your insight from the divine is going to be your biggest strength now in November. Right? So what you see, don't believe everything. What you hear, don't believe anything in the 3D world. People are maybe keeping secrets from you. People are trying to fool you here, I think, and you're getting a little upset. Yeah. Don't go back into this feeling. Don't go back into this feeling of feeling, left out, abandoned. You're never alone. You're never ever alone. In fact, by yourself, you're stronger than ever. Okay? So let's take 3 cards for you for work. Let's see how your money and finances are going to do in the month of November, Cancer. 3 work. Okay. One more. One more. Work is going to be good, Cancer. You are sitting in the 10 of Cups place here. Your wishes are all fulfilled. Whether you know it or you don't know it, in the month of November, from the 9 of Pentacles, I think you're moving to the 10 of Cups, which is wish fulfillment for your Pentacles. This is because it's a work read. Whatever you are working on is going to be stable, structured. You will be in the position where you will be able to command your rightful space, I think. There's a lot of clarity around your money area, your work area. Maybe you're working with a company, a big organization. It'll be a very clear and good path ahead for you. It'll make you very happy where your money, finances, and work is concerned. There's nothing here that I see that you have to worry about, but I will take one card as clarifiers. Ten of Cups spirit for Cancer, for their work and money in abundance. Yes, if you've been juggling, going back and forth, wondering where the money is going to come from, Cancer, this is all going to end. Okay, you will no longer be in this confusion about money, trying to juggle, going left to right to see what should I do with my pentacles. This is going to be now solidified in the month of November, and it's going to make you very, very happy. And what's the Hierophant, the High Priest for Cancer? Hierophant for Cancer, for their money and work. If you haven't been feeling stable till now, Cancer, structure is going to come back. This is feeling unstructured, feeling out of balance, and with the Hierophant, balance is coming back into your life, and it's going to put all the wrongs that were done in the past in your, maybe you lost money or something. The Hierophant is here to say things are all going to be put right once again. And the King of Swords spirit, King of Swords. Spirit is saying if you are getting any offers from anyone where money or work or abundance is concerned, be very, very discerning, Cancer, because these could be some false promises coming your way. Don't trust each and every offer that comes your way, because this, if trusting any and every offer that comes your way, is going to maybe put you into a stressful time, as I saw you earlier also. So be very discerning, use your sword of truth to know which ones that you have to invest in and which ones not to. Okay? Each and every offer is not to be trusted. Some of them could be false promises. So be a little careful, a little warning here. But let's take 3 cards for your love life now, Cancer. Love for Cancer in the month of November. This is just a general overview, Cancer. Week by week we will dive deeper into your energies to see. So don't worry. Love life for Cancer. Wow. One more. Whatever's coming your way, Cancer, is going to propel you into a brand new beginning. Okay, brand new offers coming your way. This relationship will make you feel back in control of your life. You will find the strength within this relationship to kind of find happiness, as I feel. Let me just take a clarify for each of them and say. Ace of Pentacles spirit for Cancer's love life. This is going to be a stable offer coming your way. It's going to bring back stability in your life. Ace of Pentacles. It's going to happen suddenly. Unexpected new offer of love is on the way, Cancer, for you. It's going to be very solid. It's going to make you feel good. Emperor spirit. Emperor. Yes, a choice will be made out of the blue suddenly. This offer will come. It will be a shocker for you. It will come suddenly, and as quickly as it will come, somebody, you or your person, is going to take charge of the situation, and a decision will be made in love. Strength. Strength. Whatever didn't make you happy in the past, Cancer, because you are strong and you've been holding yourself upright and keeping, your wits about you, if whatever has broken your heart in the past is going to be healed now. Okay? So if anything didn't make you happy, your heart was broken in the past, you will regain your strength once again. You will be able to heal this broken heart once again. So, of course, we'll dive deeper in the weekend and weekly readings. I will see you now on Thursday for your weekend love bite. Till then, love and light. Take care. Have a beautiful November. Namaste.